Hello everyone, this is going to be my last video for my s'mores debriefing. This is my gratitude and share video, aka whatever you want to share. I gave it the title of gratitude and share because in this video I'm going to be giving many thank yous as well as sharing a resource that I found useful that consists of topics that we learned during this course. To begin, I would like to thank Dr. DeWalt for teaching this course in a manner that was very understandable and given many opportunities to expand on our knowledge with our peers during class discussions and outside class with our group members. I can honestly say that after this course, I learned how to implement UDO within a classroom, how to implement CSP within the classroom, which is culturally sustaining pedagogies, and most importantly, how to implement social justice education within the classroom. I also want to thank all my peers and my group members for always expanding on their viewpoints and details during class discussions so I could better understand the concepts and topics. I know it was very beneficial for me. I hope it was also very beneficial for my peers to listen to each other, explain each concept from each part of the 5E lesson plan to the different topics and instructions from the textbooks and articles. So thank you, Dr. DeWalt, for teaching this course. It was a pleasure to be in your class. And before I finish this video, there's one thing I actually do want to share with everyone. When learning about anti-racism within classrooms during this semester in this course, I actually recalled a webinar series that was provided by Enseñamos el Valle Central, which is an organization that helps first-gen students from all different types of backgrounds with assistance through webinar series, providing tips, tricks, and also educational videos. And one of their webinar series consisted of teaching praxis series as well as a 6-episode webinar based on anti-racism pedagogy within classrooms here in the Valley. So I'm going to insert the link for the Enseñamos el Valle anti-racism webinar series for all to watch. If you're interested in learning more about anti-racism, I myself attended these webinars back in 2020 when they first aired them, and I found them to be very educational and eye-opening to how within each of our new classrooms or prospective classrooms we can help students unlearn the social construct of racism. Thank you.